Ooh. Ooh, you're a big fella. Look at the size of you. Hi. Hi.
Just need to move up so that you can make it happen.
Wasn't to get more Disney IP with Pocahontas and Brother Bear. But yeah, this is just yeah, that's the thing up in the gate. I can imagine people saying that animals might be too expensive for us at the moment because we're trying to make it a good park. But I personally say do the animals first and then save the pet park for a later date. But hey, I'm not one of the CEOs of Disney, so I can't exactly make that call.
Maybe someday.
Yeah. Plus a lot of us here in the ASC community, the Animal Environmental Sciences Department, many of us are trying to push for animals in the tropical Americas. You probably even get to the point where I need to talk to the heads of the people like Dr. Mark and Dr. Scott to see if I can voice my opinion about having South American animals.
I'd be happy. I'm behind you.
Because yeah, I mean, and if you wanna put your voice for it, take a survey and read a part. Like you go to a guest resource and you want to take a survey, basically say we found out about the tropical Americas and one of our biggest hopes is that we see more animals because this is why we love animals. We love coming to see the animals and having new animals here will make it all the more amazing. Well, it may not those exact words, but I can definitely see you guys are here for the animals for the priority.
Yes. Yes. That is wrong.
And just a shot in the dark. Do you happen to know Andy, the Dax guy? Well, he's a guy at home. He's probably one of the more better known animal photographers. He's coming on Saturday.
Well, it's nice here, isn't it? You okay?
Yeah,
It's
I'm sweating. Look at that. That's a mandarin duck.